Where are you going? Hi. Hi, Coco. Are you gonna go play with your friend? You're gonna go play with your friend? Coco, where are you going, boo-boo? Yeah, where are you going? Where are you off to? Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, Kikito. Come. Come here. Excuse you. No one's talking to you. Come on, Kikito. Good boy. Come. Come on, cuddle. I said cuddle. I didn't say bite. I said cuddle. Go get him. Yeah, you come protect me. You come to protect me, baby. Mwah, mwah. My little potato. Hi, Coquito. Hi, Coquito. Mwah. Mwah. Hi, Coco. What you doing, Nunu? What you doing? What you doing, my sweet boy? He's coming to it. She's coming to ya. He's coming to ya. Where you going? Are you hiding under my pants? Are you hiding under my pants? And what are you doing, Manu? Coco. Hi, babies. Come on. Oh, hi. Hi, Coco. Someone's coming. She wants to get on the action. Yeah, Coco's. He doesn't want you to come and enjoy the fun. Go away. Hi, babies. Oh, my cuddles. Hi, my cuddle bug. Shh, don't get angry. Oh, is Grandma cooking up a storm? She's cooking. Grandma's cooking. Yeah, she's cookaroo. Cookaroo-boo. Hi, Coquito. Coco, come here. Leave him alone. Coco, leave him alone. He's just enjoying himself by the router. His best friend, the router. He had to make the router his best friend because you didn't want to be his best friend. So what do you think his options are? He doesn't have many options because you didn't want to be his BFF. So let him play with the router. You both are kind of obsessed with fireplace, aren't you? Funny guys. Yeah, what's the matter? What's the matter, boo-boo? What's the matter? Oh, yes, he's such... Oh, he's coming back, he's coming back. Yeah, he's coming back. He's coming back. You better watch out. He's coming back, my babies. He's coming to get ya. He's coming to get ya. He's coming to get ya. One's here. One's here. Milo. Milo's come back here. Coco, did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Well, the day's only started. What'd you get up to, baby? Oh, you want to play with the slipper? Go. Go play with the slipper. Want to play with the slipper? Go. All the slippers for ya. Bite away. Yeah, he wants to play with the slippers. That's his favorite thing to do. Yeah, you leave him alone. You leave him alone. Let him play. Both of you be nice, okay? Coco, I gave you something to play with. Go. And you go talk to the router over there. Now, go talk to the router. Talk to the router. Why are you getting angry? Your best friend's right there. This one is destroyed. This one is now coming to see what he's doing. Oh, he doesn't want to be near you. Oh, come. Go, don't bite. Come on, come. Oh, no. Let's put him in there.